The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia takes us on a trip down memory lane, while offering a modern twist that fans of the classic will love. Known for its iconic shape and sleek design, the Karmann Ghia has a special place in automotive history. But now, it's making a comeback with a fresh look, updated technology, and improved performance, all while staying true to the spirit of its vintage predecessor. Let's start with the exterior design, which is one of the most standout aspects of the Karmann Ghia. The 2025 model continues the legacy of the original 1950s design, blending retro vibes with modern lines. It features that familiar smooth, curvaceous silhouette with an elegant coupe design that oozes style from every angle. The front end is dominated by the classic oval headlights, updated with sleek LED technology, giving it a sharp, contemporary look. The iconic chrome bumpers, though modernized for safety and durability, still have a nod to the classic aesthetic. The long, sloping roofline and tapered rear end keep that timeless, streamlined silhouette, making the car instantly recognizable from any distance. As we move to the interior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia continues to celebrate the simple but luxurious interior that its forebears were known for. Stepping inside, you're greeted with a minimalist yet modern cabin. The dashboard has been reimagined with an updated touchscreen interface while still holding onto that retro flair. The circular dials remain, but now they house advanced displays that give you all the driving data you need at a glance. The leather upholstery adds a touch of sophistication, with stitching that matches the vehicle's design lines, enhancing the car's high-end feel. There's a perfect balance between modern convenience and classic styling. The seats are comfortable, supportive, and designed to ensure that both driver and passenger enjoy the ride. Technology inside the Karmann Ghia has been fully upgraded. It comes equipped with a digital cockpit, a premium sound system, and the latest in-car connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The climate control system is intuitive, and the inclusion of advanced driver assistance features like lane, keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control make driving a breeze. Even with all this, the car feels cozy, maintaining that intimate cabin atmosphere that was present in the original models. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is far from the underpowered vehicle of the past. The engineers have really delivered a modern driving experience. The car is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 250 horsepower. This provides an impressive balance of power and efficiency, allowing the Karmann Ghia to zip through city streets and cruise on highways with ease. The 6-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, and the car is equipped with a modern suspension system that offers a comfortable yet engaging driving experience. Whether you're looking for agility on tight roads or a steady ride at higher speeds, the Karmann Ghia delivers. Handling is light and responsive, with the rear-wheel drive layout offering excellent dynamics. The car feels stable on the road, and with the updated braking system, it offers quick stopping power when you need it most. While the performance is definitely an upgrade over previous generations, it retains the playful, spirited handling that enthusiasts will love. Now, let's talk about pricing. Given its classic heritage combined with the modern touches, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is positioned as a premium vehicle in the Volkswagen lineup. The base model starts at around $40,000, and with additional packages or customization options, the price can climb to $50,000 and or more. While it's not cheap for those seeking a unique blend of nostalgia and modernity, the price is reasonable for what you're getting. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is an exceptional blend of past and present. The design is a beautiful homage to the original, the interior is comfortable and high-tech, and the performance is on par with modern standards, all wrapped up in a retro-inspired package that continues the legacy of this beloved model. Whether you're a fan of the old-school Karmann Ghia or new to the model, this 2025 version is definitely worth considering. With its blend of timeless looks and modern engineering, it's a car that truly stands out in today's market.